Words crash like thunder and trust is turned. Lightning strikes and bridges are burned. Power's fingers reach far and wide. Oh, egos clash and truths collide. There is no balance in discordant sounds. In seeking power over peace cannot be found. Seen as weapons are fear and shame. Destroy your opponent and stake your claim. Opinions rise like tidal waves, drowning hearts that could be saved. Mistrust has built fragile walls. Cracks appear and down they fall. Find harmony through the sound. Equity lost can still be found through the guilt, the blame, the shame. Rebuild trust and end the game. Gender lines drawn in the sand. Religions wait hard to withstand. Politics a chessboard fight. Money blinds the guiding light. Why do we seek to dominate? We put in others' hands our own fate. We let our fears be hidden by hate. And there is only deafness in debate. See the value in power with what many may see only as myth. Often quitting before the solution, feeling afraid there is no resolution. It's up to us to dig deep inside and know that views don't have to collide. Inconvenient truths we may find along the way. Aren't our kids worth us seeking brighter?